His Excellency President Dr. Moizu, following his successful visit to China in early 2024, once again paid an official visit to China. This fully demonstrates the great importance that the leaders of both countries attach to China-Maldives relations, and injects new and strong impetus into building a China-Maldives community of a shared future. I firmly believe that with the joint efforts of both sides, China-Maldives financial cooperation will reach new heights, and the further of our cooperation will be even brighter, and that will bring more fruitful results for both of our peoples. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ambassador. Adarun mihai saman dannawalana miyadu mi arme mi taaruf kuri hidmetakuge kuru hulasa asakarmenge MD Sharif fahakollevi speech ga fahakolle kantatarun kurko dannawalana emme furutama kamaka am farudunna vefaritaka miharu Chinese yuan nung account huluwene ege iturun miya ekiga mi yuan ge account belehettuma manage kuruma adi yuan account muamala kurwen then devana kamaka local viafaritaka am farudunna yuan TT fonua adi yuan inward remittance ke gotuga fasa liben timman kamaka on fa kollana importer na exporter na waraha sahabare ei miharu yuan LC hedene adi mikong sabun China ga partner na ekiga kura muamalat itura faseheve avasve adi harudana vegen dan then air kolon fa kollana miharu BML ge customerunge visa nuata mastercard mi ege debit card nuata credit card WeChat pay ed kollevene eya ekuga komme divessakavves miharu China ga local leng hen ad Sharif vidadu hen China ga local leng hen miharu fasa dekked ad mige iturun BML customerunna miharu sida e customerunge WeChat wallet yuan no fasa libene efahu peer to peer transfer taka adi payment tahuga mi wallet fasa beenun kurve ade kurim faha kollevi mi wara hagigi courierume rayutunna no tarmenge customeruna mi kurin nu libewaruge fasehetake mi taaruf kore hidmetaka kulibigen dan mehsa marun mi hafla nimmalana barwe dan huriha befronna wara bajer doha ke den wassalamu alaikum.
Video Club presents Mendurfas.